Hi, this short video is on how to set up categories and how to weigh those categories in your Moodle Gradebook. So I'm in the example E-Day class right now to show you how to do it. There's some stuff in here, but we can ignore the things that are in there. There's an E-Day one. We'll just call that one that we're going to hide. But I'm going to make our new category. So first of all, I'm going to make a category called first quarter. And you would want to make categories for all your quarters, and first quarter is going to be worth 100 points. I'm going to save changes, and inside first quarter I'm then going to make one, and we're going to call it our formative grade, if I could spell formative. And in this case we're going to say that the formative portion of my grade book, in this case I'm going to say it's worth 20%. So I'm just going to say the grade is 20, and I'm going to put that inside of first quarter. I'm going to hit save changes. And then I'm going to make a summative category for first quarter. In fact, I'm going to call it 1-summative. I can do the same thing now. This one's going to be worth 80%. So I'm going to say 80 points of the first quarter total. So I'm going to put that in first quarter as well, is 80 points. And so now if I look down here, the way this works is first quarter is going to be worth 100 points. And you can say that's going to be the totality of the grades, because I'm going to put everything else in a hidden category. And then of that, 20% or 20 points out of the 100 is formative, and 80 is summative. Now everything that I put into formative from here on out as far as grade category items will all be averaged out together based on their points, but the maximum that they can get is 20% of the class grade, or the first quarter grade. And likewise, everything I put in summative is going to be averaged out based on the points that I put on those assignments, and it's going to be worth no more than 80 points of the 100 point, or 80% of the class grade. So also, while I'm here, I'm going to add a category called hidden and zeroed, just to make sure I remember to go and make the maximum grade 0 down here. And I'm going to put this E-Day one inside of it. So I'm going to bring this one down. Oh, this is the total category. I'm sorry. I'm going to bring that one down and move those items into hidden and zeroed. So now I've got in here in E-Day Staff Development, that's the whole great name of the course, I wasn't even thinking there. I've got a first quarter that's worth 100 points. I've got a hidden and zeroed that's worth 0. So the things in anything I put in hidden and zeroed will not count towards the total grade of this class. And then next quarter, when I move to second quarter, I'll just click the first quarter, I'll move it into hidden and zeroed, and then I'll start a new second quarter one that's worth 100 points, and everything inside this is worth nothing again, just as a reminder that every quarter we need to move those down. But that's all it takes. If you've already got categories set up and you want to change the weight, you can just go down here to edit and edit settings and open up the category. You can see the maximum grade there. Think of that as the percentage, and you need to make sure those categories percentages add up to 100, and that's how you weigh categories inside a Moodle Gradebook.